This program shows a repeating animation of a duck on the LED display. At the end, a musical melody plays. To create your duck animation program, go to the Microsoft MakeCode editor and press Tab to reach Add New Project, and then press Enter. Give your project a name so you can find it later. Press Enter to open your project. Press Tab. If you haven't already turned on keyboard controls, then you will be prompted to do so. Press Enter. Then press Escape to close the keyboard controls help. If you have already turned on keyboard controls, then you will reach Skip to Blocks workspace. Press Enter. In the workspace, delete the On Start block by pressing Delete. Press Delete again to delete the Forever block. Press T to open the toolbox. Use the down arrow to select the Input section. Press the right arrow to move into the section and the down arrow to select the On Shake block. Press Enter to add the block to the workspace. The block is added in Move mode, so press Enter to confirm the position of the block. With the On Shake block selected, press T to open the toolbox again. Use the down arrow to select the Loops section. Press the right arrow to move into the section and the down arrow to select the Repeat 4 times block. Press Enter to add the block to the workspace. The On Shake block was selected, so the Repeat block is added inside it. The Repeat block is in Move mode. Press Enter to confirm the position inside the On Shake block. Press the right arrow to select 4 and then Enter to edit the number of repeats. Type 8 and then Enter to change the number. Press T and select the Basic section. Use the right arrow to move into the section and use the down arrow to select the Show Icon block. Press Enter to add the block to the workspace. The block is added in Move mode. Press Enter to confirm the position of the Show Icon block inside the Repeat block. Press the right arrow and then Enter to change the icon. Use the arrow keys to choose the duck icon and then press Enter. With the Show Icon block selected, press T. Select the Basic section. Press the right arrow to move into the section. Use the down arrow to select the Show LEDs block. Press Enter to add the block to the workspace. Press Enter to confirm the position of the Show LEDs block underneath the Show Icon block. Press the right arrow and then Enter to start editing the LED pattern. Copy the LED pattern from the duck icon, but 1 row lower. Use the arrow keys to move around the LEDs using Enter to turn an LED on or off. Press Escape to finish editing. To go to the simulator, press Ctrl and B to open the area menu and press 2. This video uses a Windows computer. On a Mac, in most cases, Command is used instead of Control. Press Tab to select Shake, then Enter to shake the microbit. A duck animation runs on the simulator. Press Ctrl and B, then 3 to go to the toolbox. Use the down arrow to select the music section. Use the right arrow to move into the section and the down arrow to select the play melody block. Press Enter to add the block to the workspace. Press the down arrow to move the play melody block after the repeat block so that music will play after the animation. Press Enter to confirm the position. Press the right arrow and the right arrow again, then Enter to edit the melody. Press the right arrow to choose the gallery, then press the tab to move to the options. Use the up and down arrows to choose a melody. Press the right arrow, then Enter to hear a melody. Or you can compose your own melody. Press Shift and Tab to go to the menu and then the left arrow to select the editor, then Tab to start editing your melody. Use the arrow keys to move around and Enter to add or remove a note. Use Tab to reach the play button and Enter to hear your tune. Then choose Done. Go back to the simulator and use the shake control. The melody will play in the simulator after the animation finishes. Press Ctrl and B, then 4 to return to the workspace. If you prefer, you can have the melody play at the same time as the animation. Use the up and down arrows to select the play melody block. Press M and then use up arrow to move the block to before the repeat block. Press Enter to confirm the position. Press the right arrow until you reach Until Done. Then Enter. Press the down arrow to choose In Background and Enter to confirm. Now when you shake the microbit in the simulator, the melody will play while the animation plays. When your program is working as you expected it to, download it to your microbit to test it. Press Ctrl and B, then 5, then Enter and follow the instructions to download.